At Green Source Organics, we deliver the best of nature through high-quality, clean-label ingredients. Our premium berry powders are versatile, nutrient-rich solutions for product innovation. Carefully sourced and processed, our berry powders retain their natural integrity. Packed with essential nutrients like vitamins, antioxidants, and phytonutrients, blueberry powder adds a burst of flavor and nutrients to beverages, snacks, and supplements. Strawberry powder is vibrant in color and taste, ideal for functional foods and nutraceutical blends. Cranberry powder offers a tart flavor, perfect for digestive and urinary health-focused products. Raspberry powder, known for its bold flavor and nutritional density, works well in various applications. Choose Green Source Organics for sustainably sourced, high-quality ingredients that meet the values of today's conscious consumers.